I think since we've merged as a group to create Grŵp Llandrillo Menai, it was an early decision to really invest in engineering and really become the go-to place for employers in the area for both apprenticeships, short courses, as well as further consultancy and knowledge transfer work. Well, we've got a range of 5 engineering centres right across North West Wales, from Dolgellau to Hill, but our latest investment is here in Llangefni, which is a £13 million engineering centre, the largest in Wales, with state-of-the-art equipment, including robotics, control and instrumentation. And we really do feel that it's an opportunity to give our young people the best skills and put them in the best place to get the best jobs. I think the key to being the best partner is listening and having constant conversations with our employers so that we really understand what they need, what the skills they require, and what expertise, because they expect their young people to come into their companies and be productive more or less from day one. That's what they expect. And therefore, it's only by talking to them and listening that we can provide the young person with the skills that's really going to match their requirements. We've got a specific school engagement programme, and around 4,500 young people from primary and secondary have come into our engineering centres and have been involved in STEM activities. And that's really enthused things with them and has ignited, and we've seen our engineering numbers increase because of that, I'm certain. And initiatives such as the Green Power, racing cars, etc. have been fantastic days to go out and see them racing on the track with those young kids enthused about having built their own racing car. At the end of the day, you measure your success by your learners, and we've had some brilliant successes. 2 young people recently, Scott Kerr, has represented the UK in welding in World Skills. We've also had Nia James, who's won a gold medal in industrial electronics. A young person, even yesterday, was winning a National CAD-CAM award. So it's about the successes of those young people, and if we're providing the young people, the employers are happy.
The workshop environment that they have within the college is a bespoke workshop environment full of the wind industry equipment, which is supplied by Energy. These apprentices start work at 8:30 with us, exactly like they would in the wind industry, until 5 o'clock. We've had to adapt our timetables to suit their needs and to suit their requirements. The company supply them with their own uniforms, Energy uniforms, and they are highly respected and noticed within the college, so everybody knows who they are when they're in the college with another 2,000 full-time students around them. 100% achievement rates with all the apprentices. Once they've finished on the programme, they then have to apply for posts within the wind industry, and I would say 95% of them have had opportunities for employment within the wind industry afterwards.
So the college have been very agile and very flexible to support our requirements for the new aeronautical engineering model and to support our apprenticeship framework. We've been able to engage quite easily with the college to help develop bespoke modules to support the delivery of the training that we require to deliver safety critical airworthiness to our industry partners and the MOD.
Well, future plans really is going to be maximising the impact of these fantastic assets and resources that you've seen we're investing in. Part of that will be to develop a new degree apprenticeship. We already offer higher apprenticeships, but now we're moving into the degree apprenticeship market, and hopefully our first cohort in September. And I think we can only get better and better, and excellence will improve, and the skills of North West Wales will improve.